Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to turn your long gaming videos into high engagement shorts in 2026. Now, gaming content is one of the easiest types of content to repurpose because people love the quick highlights, the funny moments, and impressive gameplay clips. So, I will walk you through the full process from choosing the clips to editing and uploading. So make sure that you watch this video till the very end so that you don't miss any of the part that is going to help your shorts reach more viewers. So without further delay, let's get straight into it. So first of all, we need to understand what actually works as a short in 2026. Now, short in 2026 performs best when they are fast, focused, and entertaining within the first 2 seconds of the video. The long intros don't work anymore, so you need a moment that instantly grab the attention of the viewers. For example, a clutch moment in the Valorant or CS2 will work. A crazy kill streak in the Call of Duty mobile will work. A funny glitch or NPC bug in the GTA 6 will work. So anything that creates surprise, humor, or skill-based reaction. Your goal is to basically find that particular moment that viewers would want to watch again. So from here, we will be hopping on to our step one, in which you need to pick the best highlights from your long form video. So first of all, you need to open your YouTube studio. Once you are inside the YouTube studio, click on the option of content. Over here, click on the option of the analytics of the video or the game or the long form video which you have created. Afterwards, simply scroll down and look for the option of the audience retention. In this particular retention graph, you just have to take a look at the spike when people were actually viewing your content. Make sure that it has the part that has some kind of strong reactions or a clean hit or jump scares or any kind of funny mistakes. So once you have basically found that particular part in your long form video, now is the time to start editing. In order to editing it, you just have to use any of the editing softwares. It can be CapCut or Premiere Rush, DaVinci Resolve. For the sake of this video, I'm going to use this Filmora. So once you have opened any of the editing tools, if your editing tool has the option of choosing the resolution in the beginning of the video, make sure that you choose the format of 16:9. So once you have selected the editing software, click on the option of import, go to the downloads option, then you just have to import that particular video which you have basically created in the long form. Afterwards, simply drag and drop the video here in the timeline. Once you have done that, simply take this particular cutter here on that particular point from where you have basically found that particular strong movement. So let's say this strong movement is here, so I'm gonna be clicking on this particular part. After that, you just have to basically select only the 15 to the 30-minute part of the video. You can also add multiple clips into it. So if you want that, you can definitely go ahead and do so. So let's say from this particular long video, I have only this part which I want to convert into short. So once you have found it, what you can do is you can simply just start adding the titles on top of it. So here currently the resolution of this video is in 16:9. So first let me change it. So here we will go to the crop and zoom, select the original ratio, which is 9:16 that we want. Now we are going to place it something like this, and as you can see, we have successfully created it. Now go to the media section and simply select any of the background photographs here. So as you can see, I want to use this particular background. Now simply go to the option of titles. From here you can choose any of the titles. Just drag and drop it here in the timeline. Once you have done that, simply double click on it and start adding your text. In Filmora, you will also get a bunch of different transitions and the effects. So you can choose any of these transitions. You can add these transitions here in your shorts video. After that, we have effects as well. So if you want to make changes into the effects, you can drag and drop any of the effects and you can apply it on top of your video. Now once you have successfully edited your video, click on the option of export on the top right hand corner of the screen. Give your project a name. Over here, select the format as MP4, then select the frame rate as 50 to 60. The resolution again should be this one, and click on the option of export. So this way you will be able to get the best part from your long form YouTube video, and you will be able to use your gaming video for content repurposing. Now, if this particular method is getting so much hectic for you, you can also seek help from some of the repurpose tools that are basically becoming very popular these days. So repurpose.io is one of them. You will get 14-day free trial absolutely for free. Over here you just have to come and provide the link of your video. Then this particular tool is going to create the short form content in front of you. You can choose any of these clips and you can start using it for your other social media accounts. So if this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.